Here's a demonstration for class 1 cavity preparation of the lower first molar. First of all, we can draw the outline form using a pencil, following the developmental grooves of the tooth. Start the outline form using a small round burr. Start penetration from the center of the tooth, 1.5 to 2 mm in depth. Secondly, we create the outline form using the Fisher burr. The burr should be perpendicular to the surface following the developmental grooves of the tooth. The outline form should consist of smooth curves, rounded line and point angles. All principles of cavity preparation for GV black should be followed. We should be at least 0.2 to 0.5 mm indentation so as to provide adequate strength to resist fracture due to masticatory forces. The mesial and distal walls should be parallel to the corresponding surface to prevent the undermining of enamel at the marginal ridge. We should stop short of the marginal ridge crest to preserve the strength of the marginal ridges. Clean the cavity from the debris using a triple syringe. All walls, floor of the cavity should be smooth. The floor should be flat, smooth. If the marginal ridge is unsupported or very thin, it should be included, resulting in a class 2 preparation. If not included, the marginal ridge may fail. Amalgam will be stronger than the unsupported enamel. we can use the inverted cone to create flat, smooth pulpal floor. The buccal and lingual walls of the cavity should have a slight convergence. Here we use a inverted cone to make the pulpal floor flat and smooth. The primary tension form of the cavity is the slight occlusal convergence of the two opposing buccal and lingual walls, flat pulpal floor, 1/4 intercuspal distance. Also, the cavity should be convenient. Which means that the smallest head of the hand instrument should go freely inside the cavity and reach the floor of the cavity. Finishing the cavity using a Fisher burr to get smooth walls and curves with rounded line and point angles. Any unsupported enamel should be removed because it will be liable to fracture.